Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best grill brushes. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 grill brushes. Number 1. Grillart Grill Brush and Scraper. Looking for a heavy-duty grill cleaner that tackles even the toughest grease and grime? The Grillart Grill Brush and Scraper is here to make your grilling life easier. This 18-inch brush features weave density bristles that stay intact, ensuring you won't have any bristles falling off during use. It's designed with a wide scraper for large surface cleaning, and the rotatable scraper fits all types of grill grates: porcelain, ceramic, stainless steel, and cast iron, giving you a thorough clean without scratching your grill. Key features include easy cleaning: just rinse with hot water after use to get rid of any debris, and long-lasting durability with a solid construction that won't wear down quickly. Pros: sturdy, versatile, and easy to clean. Cons: always check for loose bristles after use to avoid safety concerns. This brush is perfect for grill lovers, BBQ enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to keep their grill spotless with minimal effort. Number 2. Weber 3-sided grill brush. Looking for a compact yet effective grill brush to keep your grates clean without scratching? The Weber Cold Clean Grill Brush 12-inch is here to help. This brush solves the problem of difficult-to-clean grill grates, thanks to its heavy-duty nylon bristles that scrub thoroughly without shedding. Its 3-sided, T-shaped design allows you to get between the grates and into the edges, ensuring no spot is left behind. Key features include use on cool grates for safety, a durable nylon handle, and a compact length that gives you great leverage for scrubbing. Pros: effective cleaning, safe for cool grates, and easy to use. Cons: not suitable for use on hot grills. This brush is perfect for grill owners, BBQ lovers, and anyone who wants a reliable, safe tool for keeping their grill clean without hassle. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Hot Clean Grill Brush. Cleaning your grill just got easier with the OXO Good Grips Hot Clean Grill Brush. No need to wait for your grill to cool down. This brush can handle hot grates, making post-cooking cleanup quick and easy. The bristle-free design solves the issue of leftover bristles on your grill, using durable stainless steel coils combined with flexible silicone to thoroughly clean without leaving any mess behind. Plus, the built-in metal scraper helps tackle any stuck-on food, while the angled head and long, soft grip handle give you leverage without getting too close to the heat. Key features include the replaceable head, making it easy to maintain, and dishwasher-safe components for effortless cleaning. Pros: bristle-free, hit-resistant, and easy to use. Cons: not safe for ceramic-coated grills. This brush is perfect for grill enthusiasts, BBQ lovers, and anyone who needs a durable, safe, and easy-to-clean tool for their grill. Number 4. Kona Safe Clean Grill Brush. The Kona Safe Clean Grill Brush is the perfect tool to keep your grill clean and shiny without worrying about bristles falling off or causing any harm. Designed for porcelain, ceramic, infrared, and cast iron grills, it solves the problem of traditional grill brushes losing bristles and becoming flimsy over time. Key features include 100% rust-resistant stainless steel construction and a rigid design that's 5 times stronger than typical grill brushes, ensuring it lasts longer. It's also safe for all grill types and won't scratch or damage surfaces like porcelain or ceramic. Pros: durable, bristle-free, and easy to use with a 10-year warranty for peace of mind. Cons: not recommended for small portable grills or thin round grates. Perfect for grill enthusiasts, BBQ lovers, and anyone looking for a long-lasting, safe, and effective grill cleaning solution. Number 5. Char-Broil Cool Clean 360 Grill Brush. If you're tired of waiting for your grill to cool down before cleaning, the Char-Broil Cool Clean 360 brush has got you covered. This brush is designed to clean only when the grill is cool, ensuring safety while still delivering a thorough clean. Key features include 360-degree ceramic-infused bristles that provide a complete clean and protect your grill's surface. It's designed to help extend the life of your grill by keeping it free from debris without damaging the cooking surface. Pros: safe for cool grates, durable ceramic bristles, and easy to use. Cons: not suitable for hot grills. This brush is perfect for grill owners looking for a safe, effective cleaning tool that doesn't require waiting for your grill to cool off. Ready to upgrade your grill care? Grab the Char-Broil Cool Clean 360 brush today. Best overall recommendation. The Kona Safe, Clean Grill Brush stands out for its durability, versatility, and long-lasting performance. Its bristle-free design ensures safety and efficiency, making it a top pick for BBQ enthusiasts. Check the description below for links to detailed information on each product. Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.